Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I have some pistons from a truck and I'm planning to melt them down into something, but before I wanted to make an ashtray out of one of them. It looks really messy, dirty and rusty. Let's give it a new look and purpose. I'm breaking the 3 rings and brushing most of the dirt off of it. After just 5 minutes, the metal was already hot enough to make some water steam. Couldn't get too deep with the angle grinder, so I had to finish the cut with a saw. Gave it a quick grind to top and bottom to pair the surfaces. I'm roughly filing the 3 grooves on top and then rounding them up with a round bit. Sanding and polishing as best as I can the inner hole and slightly flattening the tip at the bottom of the hole. Finally, I'm sanding every spot and groove to get it ready for the buffing wheel. Thank you guys for watching. I hope you liked this little simple project, and I'll see you in a few days with the next one.